Hi everyone, this is Surpreet here again from Auckland, New Zealand. Today my video is on anti-aging face scrub and face mask, face pack. And for face scrub I have used three ingredients, which is coffee, sugar and coconut oil. I'll show you what brand I have used. So this is coconut oil. You can see right here, I don't know if you can see or not, it is for cooking, skin, hair and moisturizing as well, which I use for cooking as well for my weight loss recipes, and it is good for your health anyway. And I have used just normal Nescafe coffee and normal sugar. You can use brown sugar, white sugar, whatever is available for you. So this is the scrub we made before. You can see the oil. So I'm going to use that. This scrub will help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, even pores, and it will also brighten your skin. That doesn't mean, I'll just put the tray because I'm gonna do it all live today. I'm not moving away from the video. Even if you have oily skin, oily to normal skin, or dry skin. For dry skin it's very good. For oily and normal skin it does wonders too. So you don't have to worry if you have oily skin, you can't use coconut oil. Even your lips you can scrub. Don't rub it too hard, just gentle scrub, and slowly just use 2 fingers for under eye area and very gentle. And inwards for eye. So that's how you're gonna do it. As I said, it will help brighten the skin. That doesn't mean that it's gonna give you skin tone fairer what you have got naturally. It doesn't like that. You know your skin tone will be 4 or 5 tones fairer if you use coffee. It doesn't work that way. There's no way to brighten your skin than your natural skin color. It only means that you will if you use this, you will get your baby skin back, your baby color back. So always when you're using any product, after scrubbing, just leave it on for like 2-3 minutes to see proper results. I think it will be better for me to go wash it away, because the particles of sugar are falling off and I don't want any ants on my bed. And very soon I'll show you how to make the mask, and I'll apply it here. Yep. And I'll tell you more benefits of it later on when I put the mask. So I'll see you in a minute. So here I'm back. I have washed my face with warm water because it was too oily with the coconut oil I used, but I did not use any soap at all. You can still see it's quite oily, but I just used so you can see I just used the warm water. So now we're gonna make a pack. You can see even just with the scrub, my skin has, you can see the effect. But for that, you have to try it by yourself. I'm working on that because I'm working, I've got busy, you can see the difference already. I don't know, see, I've got nothing on my face. I can still feel it's a bit oily, but it's gonna go, it's not gonna do any harm to you if you've got oily skin. I'm working on dark circles. I had never had dark circles before, but I'm working a bit, off the time, and that's why it's happening. I'm working on that. As soon as that remedy works, I'll bring it for you. And I'm also applying this serum. I've just started trying it, and I'll give you the reviews once I get the results. It's not a paid promotion or anything. Sorry, here you go. I hope you can see it. It's Triology. Okay, let's make the mask. So just to show you, I have grinded some rice. You can do that. So we're gonna take 1 spoon of rice. And I am going to use coffee in it, as coffee is our main ingredient for fine lines, and it's a anti-aging, anti-wrinkle scrub and mask. Just half a spoon of coffee, and that's the magic ingredient. It is apple cider vinegar. It's nearly finished. I'll tell you the benefits of that as well. It doesn't suit everyone, but it's doing wonders for me. This apple cider vinegar helps your skin to balance it, and especially if you have pores around your chin, your cheek, sorry. If you have pores, it will help you if it get mixed with rice powder and coffee, but I will bring some more benefits of it otherwise as well. So we're gonna use maybe half a spoon, you can see, just to make it a paste. Let's see. A little bit more I need, I think. Yes. Whenever you buy apple cider vinegar, you have to make sure that it's, can you see at the end, with the mother. And it will be good if you can find raw organic. Okay, nearly ready. I'll show you. Mix it well. If you don't have a blender at home to grind the rice, you can buy, I think, rice powder as well. Sometimes it gets harder here in New Zealand to find stuff, but yeah, they work. Right, so I am going to apply the mask now. So I'm going to use the tray and sit here. Remember, I'm not gonna leave it on for more than 5 to 7 minutes maximum. Not too close to the eye because of the apple cider vinegar. Otherwise, it can sting your eyes. And very thin layer it is already. So I'm gonna be really careful. You can close your eyes while you apply the apple cider vinegar. And if it doesn't work for you, please try it and let me know, and I'll tell you the alternative of apple cider vinegar as well. Very fine layer. That's another tip. Never forget your lips when you use any mask. That's it. And you can just leave it for like 5-7 minutes, and I'll see you very, very soon. Right, I hope you can see it. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's wipe it. You don't need to scrub it with the towel because I'm just doing it to show you. You need to just wash it with not very cold water and not very warm water, just normal water, normal tap water. That's it. If you have any issues with apple cider vinegar, let me know. I'll find an alternative for you. And really try that mask for anti-aging, skin lifting. Coffee is a very, very good ingredient for many things, even for brightening, anti wrinkle and fine lines. Apple cider vinegar is very good for pores. So you can see that. And I normally don't apply anything on my any moisturizer or anything. I've just started applying this serum, which I did apply this morning, so I'm not gonna do it again. And I normally use this Vaseline if it gets too dry. Otherwise, just bit of coconut oil and just massage it, not too much. I've got a very, very sensitive skin. That's it. I am done. I can still feel some. Okay, you can see. And please do try it and comment below. And also, I would like to show you this. This is weight loss powder I have prepared. It's yummy. It's so yummy. So I have made, I think, for a month or 1 month and a half. It's very yummy. If you want the recipe of a weight loss powder, do tell me and I'll share that with you. As I said, I am bringing my weight loss journey very soon. So this is my weight loss powder. So that's all for today, and I'll see you very, very soon in a video about childcare. And someone has asked me how primary school works for children here, because they're all at different levels in one class. Like sometimes children have got level 1, but there are children with up to level 4 in the same class. And sometimes year 1 and year 2 are in the same class, but different age, like 5 years, 6 years and 7 years old are in one class. So I'm gonna work on that, and I'll bring that video for you very soon, and I'll show you the screenshot of the request as well. Also, if you have any more questions, let me know. I'll keep bringing the videos. I'm bringing observational videos on childcare from the main government agency, which is being made for learning purposes. So I'll be uploading that video on my channel tonight. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.